Today we're going to make a dog, one of the state symbols of Massachusetts. The first thing we're going to do is fold a square sheet of paper in half diagonally, corner to corner, making a triangle. Next, we're going to fold our paper in half again, putting the 2 points together. Then, we unfold the paper. Now, take the corners of your triangle and fold them down to make ears. You can make them as big or as small as you want. After that, take the bottom corner of your paper and fold it up just a little bit, matching the corner of your paper to the crease you made earlier. Now you have the shape of your dog head. Now, using markers, colored pencils, or any other writing utensil, you can add eyes and a nose. Now your own Massachusetts state dog is complete.